Okay, this is section 3. Now section 3 is going to be a lot of ripples. So it's going to seem a little bit weird, but I just wanted to kind of like let you know. So we are walking. So we just finished our clock. 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this is where the ripple starts. We are now in a big straight line, center of the gym. Okay, and you're either going to go to the right or to the left. So once again, if you already have said oh, I'm always going to the right, perfect. You will continue to always go to the right. Same thing, and so we will figure that out. That'll be probably one of the first things we do when we get this in. So we're walking 5, 6, 7, 8. You're gonna fall to the ground. Okay, so it looks like, trying to back up so you can see it. So it looks like this. If you're going to the right, you're gonna fall to the ground like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Roll to your back. 7, arms up, 8. Then you're gonna sit up. 1, 2, 3, 4. As soon as you sit up, then you're gonna lay back down in a ripple. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you're gonna roll to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna sit back, 5, 6, then you're gonna stand up, right foot, left foot, 7, 8. So again, if you are falling to the right, it looks, again, you've got all this time. So you might be 1, you might be at the very end. Okay, so we just walked, 5, 6, 7, you fall, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sit up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, if you're going to the left, same thing but to the left. So we walk. I'm gonna fall a little bit at a different time. 1, 2, 3. And so it goes boom, 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 boom. Is how it'll go. Okay. So I'm gonna go a little bit further back. 5, 6, 7, ripple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sit up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then with your left foot, 7, 8. Your back foot, 7, 8. Okay. So there's that. All right. Okay. So now we got up. And we're staggered, so we're not directly behind each other anymore. 7, 8. So then we're gonna go opposite side. So if I'm on the right side, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, you're gonna go. So another ripple. 5, 6. Okay. And so we should, use, so 6, 7, 8. We'll go 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3, close 4 to go here. Okay. So once again, 5, we just jumped up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, close 5, and then we'll ripple 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if you're on the left side, we just got up 7, 8. We're gonna go step out 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna close our feet 5, and then you hold it here until it's your turn to ripple out this direction. Okay. So again, left side, we just went 7, 8. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ripple, 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 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're gonna go. Then everyone together goes 1. So you put your, you put your right foot behind, 1, then you push down and you turn on 2. Okay, so we just did our 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, push down 2, and then you're going to hit 3. Okay, so your right hand should be on your head, your left hand should be on your waist. 3. Now, this ripple, you go from the, so it goes from the back to the front, and the ripple is your arm goes around your head and down. Your other arm goes down. All right, so it should look like this. So 3. So we went 1, 2, hit 3, ripple 4, 5, 6. Okay, and you end up facing forward, one straight line, like this. Okay? And that has to be a quick one. So again, we just went. I'm gonna do the left side now. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ripple 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everybody. 1, 2, hit 3, 4, ripple 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.